In this video, I'll show you how you can set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp on your computer. I'll walk you through everything that you need to do from start to finish. So go to your address bar and type in 1.1.1.1, just like it is here, and it will take you to the Cloudflare website. From here, you can then choose the device you're going to install it to. I'm going to choose Windows, and it will then download the installation wizard, which you can then open. Once you've done that, it's going to then open the Cloudflare client. Click yes to any pop-up on your computer and wait for it to install. Once you've done that, you can agree to the terms of service for private browsing, and then it will open the Cloudflare 1 client. Here you can go ahead and choose the mode, as well as connect or disconnect. There are different modes that you can choose, but if you're connected, you can go to connectivity and see the current DNS protocol, which is DNS over Warp. Now this is connected, we can exit out, and we can always go ahead and reopen it by searching for Cloudflare 1 client and disconnect whenever needed.